Tour of King County Wastewater Treatment Divisions, Georgetown Wet Weather Treatment Stations, Ballasted Sedimentation Construction Progress. Following construction, this building will be home to the ballasted sedimentation process. The large pipes in the back of the room are called effluent pipes and will be used to transport treated wastewater. The process begins by screening out large solids and debris. The ballasted sedimentation process at Georgetown further cleans flows by using chemicals and fine sand to separate solids from the combined sewer overflow. The sand is later separated from the settled solids by devices called hydroclones, and then it is reused. The settled solids are pumped to the solids holding tank and then released to the county's conveyance system when it has capacity. Through the large effluent pipes that you see, the treated wastewater is released to the Duwamish River after being disinfected using UV lights and can be recirculated for additional treatment if necessary.